Aloha mai kako. The title of our workshop is called the Papa Kūkū Kapa. The topic of this workshop is Hawaiian clothing. This workshop is to explain the process behind making kapa as well as to teach the history behind it.
Hawaiian kapa had many functions in everyday life for the ancient Hawaiian Kanaka. For example, it was primarily used for clothing for the ancient Hawaiian people. Learning the process of kapa making gives us a connection to our ancestors and their way of life. Kapa making also helped bring the Hawaiian people together and kept the Kauhale together as a whole.
Our Hamana should know the process of kapa beading by the end of the workshop and how it was used back then. They will learn of the materials that are used in making kapa and how it was made. Our activity is kapa beading. In the activity, we would be beating kapa on a board until it turns from a bark into a material.
The theme of our project is just by taking in this knowledge of ancient tradition, kapa making, we will be able to develop into beautiful pools being watered through our culture. As we continue to learn more about our culture and its traditions, we grow as Kanaka. By learning the ancient tradition of kapa making, we are able to perpetuate a part of our Hawaiian culture that could be well on its way into its extinction.
My group and I believe that there is a deeper meaning to the action of beating kapa. So this activity that we do, beating kapa, what is it for? Well, beating kapa is beating a bark of a plant until it becomes interconnected. The fibers become interconnected to make one material, which you can make a big piece and use it as clothing. Well, this action of these fibers getting interconnected and woven together gives us an idea of a deeper meaning behind the action of beating kapa, which is these fibers being woven together represent our Hawaiian lahui coming together to form one community, one lahui, and one culture. And this is what we really celebrate during the Makahiki season, is everyone coming together, putting aside all distractions, all war, famine, all of this, and just being one and being happy with each other and providing for one another, taking care of one another. Aloha kekahi kekahi. And this is a deeper meaning that we derived from this action